Selection and deployment of optical leading cable. The selection of optical leading cable. In practical project, the fiber cable between the intrusion detection host and DV100 should be as short as possible. As this segment is highly sensitive and requires careful handling, avoid contact with any objects that may generate slight vibrations. To reduce vibration sensitivity, we recommend using leather fiber cables or heavy armored optical cables between the O, D, F, and fiber splitting box. Use the customized fiber patch cable provided with the equipment between the intrusion location host and the O, D, F. This specialized patch cable is vibration insensitive to reduce environmental noise. The deployment of optical leading cable. For leading fiber cables, bury underground is standard. Note: leather fiber cables require conduit recommended HDPE pipes before burial.